Dollar Tree haul. I did pick up a few things for Easter and spring and just some random items. So let's get started. So I went ahead and picked up this sign. It says Easter Blessings. It has the purple glitter on there and the twine that you can hang on the wall or just have it sitting up against something. I did pick that one up. I also picked up this one. It's the little rabbit with the gold foiling on. Not sure if you can see that, but it does have the gold foiling on the butterfly. Super cute. I like this vintage looking rabbit that they have on here. Super cute. I also picked up a ton of signs just because they were super cute. This Happy Easter sign, it kind of looks like it's foil. It has the foil writing. It says Happy Easter with all the little eggs around here. Cute, super cute design. And this one is my favorite. It's the Welcome to Our Home with the carrots. It has the galvanized tin on top and on bottom. And this carrot looks like it's galvanized on the edges and it looks like it's kind of rippled, but it's actually just flat. It's just the way it's printed on there. It's super cute. And I know everyone has been hauling these. Super adorable. I mean, how cute is that? The little welcome sign. It has the blue bunny, the yellow bunny, the pink bunny, and the green bunny. And they have the little cottontails. So adorable. I also picked up this cute bunny. It has the tinsel on there with the purple polka dot bow. So cute. I might put this in the kids' bathroom just because I love decorating their bathroom for the different seasons. So cute. This little chick in the what is this called? Like a felt material. The chick does have like glitter, but it's not the glitter that like falls off like crazy. Got that. I also picked up another chick, which I thought was adorable as well, because I do decorate the kids' playroom wall with whatever is in whatever holiday it is or what season it is. Super cute. It has the glitter bow tie, which I'll probably spray some hairspray on there. Treat bags. So adorable. They are cloth and they have the twine ties. So cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for decorations or just to give the kids for treats and stuff for Easter. So cute. Love it. Wall decor. It was the little bunny. It has the blue bow tie on it with the glitter. I'm gonna hairspray that so it doesn't get everywhere, but super cute. Really, really cute. The plastic little bunnies. They're like garden stakes. So cute. My daughter wanted these colors, so I got those two. Picked up also this little egg hunt, I guess little stakes that you can put in the ground. It says egg hunt this way, Easter egg hunt, and another one that says egg hunt this way. Super cute. The kids are going to have an egg hunt this year with their cousins, so we'll be putting those out. This super cute little tin welcome stake. You put it in the ground. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the front yard, or just put it in like a plant potter or whatnot, but super cute. Purple egg and a pink one. It has the purple welcome. Stake lights. Look how cute these are. Like, so adorable. I got the purple, the pink, and the yellow. I think they're pretty well made. I like the detail on them. They actually look like flowers. They have some type of sequence on them. So adorable. But I did notice they are starting to come off on some parts. So, oh well. $1. So cute. I got the pink one, the green one, the yellow one, and the blue one. I think I'm going to put those in a bucket or something. I did pick up these super cute little floral. They're called floral bulbs. I did see something on when I went to Pottery Barn. They had these bulbs in a glass see-through container where you can see the bulbs through it. Thought it was super cute. $1 compared to like $30 flower decor. Yeah, spring stuff. I did get some pointed tip shears because spring is coming and I'm gonna do my garden. And I don't like polka dots, but I thought these were super cute. They are cloth on one side and rubber on the inside. I haven't seen anyone haul these before, but I thought they were adorable. Look how cute those are. Like, really. This one says welcome with the orange stone or orange little jewels on there. Peace with the pink jewels, and hope with the purple jewels. Thought that was so adorable. And they are made of some type of clay or pottery. Mushroom. Thought it was so cute. They had a green one and an orange one. Or a more orange one. So I just decided to get this one. I'm going to put that in the yard. As well as this little frog. I thought he was so adorable. I mean, he's just hanging out. So cute. They have different poses on him, but I only picked up these this year because I haven't did my fairy garden. So I'm going to go ahead and I know I picked up the mushrooms and the little gnomes. I didn't get the little girls, I don't think, but I will be doing a how to make your own fairy garden at home with Dollar Tree products. So I got that one, and then this one, it has like the watering tin, the bird feeder, and then the little wagon that has a little bird on it. And then I got this one. It has the little seat, little what is that? Oh my gosh. A tree stump for the little fairies. I also picked up these socks. I thought they were super cute. Pizzas. It says men's, but I'm going to use them. I really like super cute soft socks. My daughter likes to paint, so I'm going to go ahead and have her do this, like do like an Easter project or something, crafts and stuff. We picked up these paint palettes. It comes 6 by Jot. Super cute, especially if you have like friends over and you're doing like a play date or project or whatnot. pick that up. And then my daughter picked up this Easter egg candy. Let me see, is it chocolate? Yeah, chocolate lentils. I'm going to be doing a Easter basket haul because I normally make all of my kids' Easter baskets, and this year I will be doing that. So look out for that. I also picked up some snack bags. The kids, we're always traveling, so I like to have these. See how big they are. Yeah, normal size snack bags. I always pick these cotton rounds out because I have face astringent that I use, or you know, for nail polish, to remove the nail polish off my nails. So pick that up. It's Wine O'Clock. It's a magnet. I have a fridge outside that I put random magnets that I find that I think they're super cute. I got my daughter some Dory nails. Finding Dory. She loves these little nails. I picked this up. I did hear some good things about it, so I'm going to try it out. Dazzling White. It's like a instant whitening pen. Yeah, we'll try that out and see. I picked up this polish. I thought that was so cute. It's tickled pink. I really like that color. This blush, it's twinkle pink. I kind of want to see what it looks like. Let's see.
Mama, I can't see.
I know, baby. Hold on. It's my daughter. Not sure if the color's showing up. I picked up these little clips for my daughter's hair, and then she wanted to get this. So show y'all what I got. A ton of stuff. I will be doing these hauls every time I go to the Dollar Tree. I am a Dollar Tree fanatic, so I will be posting those when I do my trips to the Dollar Tree. I normally go once or twice a week, just depending on what I'm doing that week. But if you like videos like this, thumbs up. Please like and subscribe.